Hi, it's me again, Rhea, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginagawa itong marble nails na ito. Napaka-trend nito nowadays, guys, so let's do it. First, of course, we need to apply base coat on our nails to avoid smudging colors to our nails. So, yun ang pinaka-importanting lagi niyong tatandaan, guys, pag lagi kayong gagawa ng nails nyo kasi ang base coat is to protect our natural nails. So, dahil nga gel polishes ito, guys, so kailangan natin gumamit ng LED lamp or UV lamp para matuyo ang ating manicure. So, kung sa LED lamp ay kailangan nyo siyang i-cure ng 30 seconds and for UV lamp naman is for 1 minute. So, this is the color that I wanted to use, guys. It's from the gel by Blossom You, the shade of 101 Dry Flower Beige. And don't forget to clean the excess polish before curing this into the lamp. And now, we need to ready our black polish and the alcohol, syempre. Kailangan natin to para ma-achieve natin yung marble nails na sinasabi. Yan, create lang tayo ng swirl lines, guys. Okay lang kahit hindi pantay-pantay kasi that's better. Okay lang yun kasi gagawin din naman nating messy yan right after. Gagamit lang tayo ng another brush, guys, for the alcohol kasi susundan lang natin yung black lines na ginawa natin kanina and it depends on you kung gaano ka-hazy ang gusto mong look for this. Yan, this is how it looks, guys. So, i-cure na natin siya sa LED lamp ng 30 seconds and 1 minute for the UV lamp. Next is gagamit naman tayo ng gold glitter polish. This is from Yuri, shades of 76 Jupiter. Iikot-ikot lang natin siya ng ganito, guys, para matanggal yung mga excess glitters niya kasi konting-konti lang yung kailangan natin, like ganito lang kadami. So yan, ita-transfer na natin yung glitters sa ating nails, like ganyan lang, dahan-dahan lang, paunti-unti, yung ikakalat mo siya. And that's it. Ito na yung itsura niya, guys, kung may glitter siya. O, diba? Mas maganda. And then, syempre, lalagyan na natin ng top coat to seal everything in. So that's it for today's video guys. Kung nagustuhan niyo yung video na ito, please hit the like button down below. And syempre, subscribe niyo na din yung channel ko for more videos updates. And share it with your friends. And please avoid going outside if not needed. Stay at home and be safe guys. Take care. Love you. Thanks for watching.